Yen, to get to the bookstore today, we gotta take a boat. All right, Yen, just roll forward.
Forward into the ocean. Please tell me that creaking is normal. Why are we parked so close to the water?
Check it out, we're on a boat.
I don't know how to swim. Also, why are the life jackets already wet?
You're doing great, Yen.
Thank you, I am very brave. We made it. Land, solid, predictable land. I would like to thank the Academy, the ferry crew, and my emotional resilience. This building feels structurally trustworthy. Books. I faced the ocean. And now? Now I claim my reward. Pokemon manga. So, we're not taking the ferry back, right?
No, we'll just take the road back.
There was a road?